Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Bluetooth in your Toyota Sienna. First, make sure your vehicle is safely in park. Next, grab your phone and turn on its Bluetooth feature, making it discoverable. Then, on your Sienna's audio system, navigate to the Setup menu. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and successful connection process, allowing you to enjoy hands-free communication and audio. Once in the Setup menu, select the Bluetooth option. You'll then see an option to Add New Device. Select this to start the pairing process. Your Sienna's system will display a pairing code. Confirm this code on your phone when prompted to establish the secure connection. This step links your phone to the vehicle. After successful pairing, your phone will appear in the list of available devices. Select your phone's name to connect. The system may ask for permission to access your contacts and call history. Allow this for full functionality. Now you can make hands-free calls, stream your favorite music, and use navigation audio through your Sienna's speakers. If you encounter issues, try a few troubleshooting steps. First, delete any old, unused devices from your Sienna's Bluetooth memory. Sometimes, simply restarting your phone and the vehicle's audio system can resolve connection problems. For more specific guidance or persistent issues, always refer to your Toyota Sienna's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.